Now, if you're anything like me, around month end close or busy times of the month for you, you probably will have about 10 to 15 workbooks, Excel workbooks open. And sometimes that can feel a little bit overwhelming. And in some cases, you're trying to go into another file and you're really struggling to find it. And then sometimes you have to close one Excel file and another, and it takes time and your computer freezes and the likes. So to prevent this, it's actually easier if you can navigate between the workbooks easily. This trick that I'm about to show you will be a game changer. So what you would do is right now, if you look at my task menu here, you see I have so many workbooks open. Now I want to navigate between all of these workbooks easily. So what I will do is I'll click Control and Tab. Every time I click the tab, it takes me to a new workbook. So if I wanted to work on the budget right now, I'm now in the budget. If I want to work on the forecast, I could just navigate to the 2 plus 10 forecast. If I want to go back to the budget. So this is a quick way to navigate your workbooks. And it's just control, hold it, and then click the tab as you move between the files.